Hi guys, my name is MDEVAAN and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making potato salad and this is for Easter. I don't even know when I'm going to post this, but I made this during Easter. I'm basically preparing the base for the salad with cabbage. So I have chopped shredded cabbage at the base of the casserole dish, and the next thing I'm going to put in is boiled macaroni. Now I just let this boil. I didn't let it get too soft, just a soft boil because it's still going to go into the fridge. What you do is you boil it, you put it in the fridge to cool down before you add it to the other salad ingredients so that the heat does not cook every other thing and make it soggy. And after that, I'm adding my chopped veggies. I'm using cabbage, macaroni, cucumber, and carrots. So I chopped my cucumber two ways in cubes and shredded, and then I'm using a bit of sweet corn and green peas. Excuse my shakiness. I hit my stand while I was filming. So basically, what's in the dish right now is cabbage, macaroni, cucumber, carrots, sweet corn, green peas, and now I'm adding the most important ingredient, so to speak, for this dish, the boiled potatoes. Now, if you do not like spices, do not spice your potato while you're boiling it, just boil it plain. But I spiced mine because I like my salad to have a bit of oomph to it. And then I'm going to add a couple of baked beans. Now, the thing with salad is you're serving people, right? So a lot of people might not like certain things. Some of my guests coming today are not fans of carrots. Some of my guests coming today don't want the cabbage or the macaroni part. So you need to arrange your dish in a way that you can pick out certain things and leave others out. Some people don't like baked beans, so you don't mix everything in the dish at once. You can just put them separately, or you can even present them in different dishes if you have the time and if you have the dishes, so that people can mix what they want. But for me today, I know that a lot of my guests don't like full coleslaw, so I try to make sure that I didn't mix everything. I just put things separately. And what I'm doing now is just adding pieces of boiled eggs. I think I boiled about 10 eggs. Yeah, that's about it. And then I'm mixing um my special my special dressing for the salad, which is a deep mix of different creams and spices and oils. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. I love you.